Protests erupted across TG Higher Secondary School and Johnstone Higher Secondary School as students, under the aegis of Campaign for Just and Fair Delimitation JFD Student Wing, strongly opposed Manipur government's plan to initiate statewide census on August 17. Demonstrators handled placards reading No-Nrc, No-Census and chanted slogans urging the authorities to prioritize updating NRC over conducting any census exercises. Expressing deep frustration with the administration's stance, a displaced student residing in a local relief camp condemned the decision to push forward with enumeration while ignoring severe plights of thousands who have been forced out of their homes. The student highlighted that internally displaced persons have spent over 3 years enduring harsh conditions without being able to return to their ancestral properties. Consequently, the government must first secure safe resettlement of displaced families and update NRC to identify illegal immigrants entering the state before undertaking any census operations. The JFD Students' Wing further criticized Manipur government for failing to take a firm decision on the public's long-standing demand for the NRC update. The student wing warned that peaceful agitation will continue until the state addresses their core concerns regarding demographic integrity and victim rehabilitation.
I'm an IDP and residing in a relief camp for 3 years. It has been 3 years. I don't have a house for myself. My parents, they are struggling a lot. They are starting from zero. During this meantime, the government tries to count the census. How is this fair? I mean, I don't have a house. How will you count me? Am I not a citizen of this country? Is my life not valuable at all? I'm fully against this census.